Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today I'll teach you how to put trellis stitch. This is a very beautiful stitch which we can put for the flower petals, leaves and for cherries. It will be very pretty. I'll show you in this pattern. First, finish the outline with back stitch. I have already posted a video on back stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. I have given all the links in the description for all the embroidering stitches posted so far. Finish the outline with back stitch. See, now I have finished completely with back stitch, and now we'll come to the trellis stitch. I have taken 6 strands of thread. Insert the needle at the right end of the pattern and insert the needle in the back stitch like this. Thread above the needle at first and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a knot like this. Now again insert the needle on the next back stitch. Thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over. We have finished the second knot, and again in the next stitch insert the needle. Thread above and then below the needle and pull over. You will get another knot here, and once again insert the needle on the next stitch. Thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over. We have finished the first row, and now insert the needle at the end in the same point through the previous stitch, and take it out on the next stitch in between both the stitches here. And now again insert the needle on the loop formed before. Thread above the needle at first and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a knot. Then once again insert the needle through the loop formed in the earlier line. Thread above and then below the needle and pull over. In this same method, in every loop we should put a knot like this. Insert the needle in the loop, thread above and then below and pull over. We have got the knot. Once again insert the needle in the loop, thread above and then below and pull over. And now we are enlarging the pattern in this design, and so you can insert once again in the last loop and put another knot. When we are reducing the length, we should leave the last stitch, but here while increasing we should increase the stitches, go through the previous stitch and now come out on the next stitch in between the two stitches, and again continue in the loop I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. We should continue the same stitch to complete the pattern. In few more rows, see again, go back at the middle of the stitch and come out at the next stitch and continue the knots in every loop. This stitch will look very pretty for the strawberries. Mostly strawberry pattern, flower petals and leaves can be filled with this trellis stitch. Now the thread is over, and so I am joining another thread here at the back side and continuing the stitch in front. And now I have finished the stitch. How pretty it looks. You can put the stalk and finish this strawberry. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. And this is the back view of the stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.